Psalm 123, a prayer for mercy. Lord, I look up to you, up to heaven where you rule. As a servant depends on his master, as a maid depends on her mistress, so we will keep looking to you, O Lord our God, until you have mercy on us. Be merciful to us, Lord, be merciful. We have been treated with so much contempt. We have been mocked too long by the rich and scorned by proud oppressors.